Assalamu alaikum class 4. Today I am going to start my fourth lecture. Class, open your book at page number 11. Here are some question answers from these two articles. Here are the question answers of the chapter Earthwatch. Why do you think Ellen and her husband live in the forest? Because her husband works for National Park in Africa. Why do hunters kill the apes? For meat. Why is Ellen bottle feeding Teach? Because Teach's mother is dead. Where will the water for the village come from? From a spring. Which daily job won't the villagers do in future? They won't walk for long to bring water. How long will the pipeline be? 11 kilometers long. What will the villagers be able to grow? Fruits and vegetables. Students, now open your book at page number 11. Check the exercise number 3. Match the numbers from text 1 with these pictures. You have to match the numbers from this text. They have built roads into the forest too. This is number C. So you have to solve it by yourself. Check the numbers from the text and match these with pictures. Match the phrases in italics from text 2 with these pictures. Exercise number 5. What do you think? Should we cut down or plant trees? What should we do? We should plant trees because trees are important for our lives. Kill or protect wild animals? We should protect wild animals. Conserve or waste water? We should conserve water. Build water pipelines? Yes, we should build water pipelines. Class, now open the page number 12 of your English Oxford, Unit 2, Lesson 4. Here are some sentences. Dan and Jack are going on a school expedition to Slade National Park with their teacher. Listen to your teacher and underline the correct phrases as shown below. Put the verbs in brackets into the present continuous tense. Students, here in this exercise we will put the verbs into the brackets into present continuous tense. In present continuous tense we use is, am, are, first form of the verb along with ing. Student, this is your task. You can get the help from page 106 and solve it. Now look at exercise number 2. Choose should or must. Your teacher said you must buy an entry ticket at the park entrance. I think you dash carry a raincoat with you. You should. Remember, you dash to follow the guide's instruction. You must. I think you dash pack a water bottle in your bag. You should. Don't forget you dash take your litter away with you. You must. I think you dash your mobile with you when you go walking. You should. In exercise number 3, choose shouldn't or must not. You dash leave litter anywhere. You shouldn't. You dash drink water from the streams. You shouldn't. You dash pick any flowers in National Park. You shouldn't. You dash light fires. You mustn't. You dash climb cliffs. You must not climb cliffs. Class 4, now open your book at page number 13, Unit 2, Lesson 5. Mr. Burkey designed a rainwater storage system for villagers without tap water. Find the pictures below to match these statements. Here are the pictures. You have to match these statements according to the pictures. The tank keeps all the water safe and clean. D. Rainwater runs off the roof and flows through a pipe into a tank on the ground. C. They make the tanks with cement. Is D. Villagers build the storage system themselves. They use cheap local materials. A. If there is no storage system, the monsoon rain runs into the ground. Is B. A cement tank can hold enough water for all the family's need. D. Exercise number 2. Listen to your teacher's report on the water storage system and complete the report using phrases from exercise 1. I live in a small village. Before we never had enough water. Students, you can get help from the page 106 also. If you want to write by yourself, you can write. In the monsoon season, the rain ran into the ground. One day, Mr. Burki came to our village. He said we should build a rainwater storage system. So my father made a water tank storage system. My uncle put a new roof on our house. Now we have enough water for all our needs. The animals can't get into the tank and make water dirty. Now our lives are better and healthier than before. You can get the help from page 106 and solve by yourself. Assalamu alaikum class 4. Now here are the solved exercises of unit 2, adjectives. In your notebook, write the numbers and their orders wherever missing. These are the numbers and these are the number orders. 1 first, 2 second, 7 seventh, 10 10th. Now open your book at page number 11. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Underline the number adjectives in each. Draw a box around the nouns they describe. All of you know that nouns are the name of people, places and things. So in this exercise you have to draw a box around the nouns. There are 4 monkeys sitting on the tree. 4 is number adjective. Underline the 4 monkeys and tree are noun. 5 green parrots sat on the window. 5 is a number order adjective. Parrots and window are the nouns. You will need 3 eggs. 3 is number adjective. Eggs noun. 2 number adjective. Cups noun. Floor noun. 1 number adjective. Teaspoon noun. Lime juice noun. Cake noun. 4th one is there are 10 cars in the driveway. 10 is number adjective. Cars noun. Driveway is also a noun because it's the name of a place. There are 4 rooms in my house. 4 is number adjective. Rooms noun. House is noun. Underline the number order adjectives in your notebook. Humphrey came second in the class. Second is the number order adjective. The 4th man in the line is our math teacher. 4th is number order adjective. Every 5th line rhymes in this poem. 5th number order adjective. There is a train every 3rd minute. 3rd is a number order adjective. This is her 10th birthday. 10th is number order adjective. Exercise C. Copy the sentences in your notebook. Complete the sentences with a describing adjective, number adjective or number order adjective. Use words from the ones given in the brackets to fill in the blanks. Remember each bracket has 1 extra word. The dash boy standing in the dash row is my brother. There are 3 options in the bracket, second, tall and 2. The tall boy standing in the second row is my brother. Dash cat sat under the big table. 3rd, black, 2. 2 black cats sat under the big table. Bob was the dash boy to arrive late to class. 5th or dirty, 5th. There are dash big houses in this lane. The dash house has dash palm trees growing outside it. The options are 10, 5th, tall, slim. There are 10 big houses in this lane. The 5th house has tall palm trees growing outside it. Look at page number 12. Study the picture below. Complete the sentences with number and number order adjectives. This is a picture. You have to complete the sentences with number or number order adjectives. The Blooming Bird School was celebrating its 10th sport day. There were lots of races. Trash students. How many students are there? 6. 6 students, 1 from each house, were participating in the 300-meter race. Brad was the dash. Brad was the first. Want to cross the finishing line? Benji finished second, with Trevor following him at the 3rd position. Jacob and Judy were placed in the 4th and 5th place. Nemo came last.